Good morning, good morning, good morning, good afternoon, and good night, you guys. Ooh, the light. Let me use my big head to hide it. I can't wait to change the lighting in this house. My gosh. Especially in the kitchen. How are you guys doing? It's a brand new day. It's a brand new week for us. And I am getting my pumpkin ready for school. As baby's already out.
Mama?
Yes, baby?
Guess what?
What?
Today pumpkin.
You're pumpkin every day.
I'm not Tyler anymore.
You're always gonna be Tyler and you're always gonna be pumpkin.
I'm not Tyler anymore.
Yes, you are.
No, I'm only pumpkin.
You are pumpkin and you are Tyler.
So that means I'm not Tyler anymore.
Yes, you are still Ty. Can you say morning, Fibs?
No, I don't want to say my name because I'm not Tyler anymore. I'm pumpkin. I'm not Tyler anymore. I'm pumpkin.
You're pumpkin. Okay, Mama is gonna call you pumpkin today and Metro is gonna call you Tyler, okay? Say morning, Fibs.
Okay.
What we doing right now?
We go to school.
Right, are you ready for school?
Yes. Look at how many chairs there is.
Are you ready for a new week?
Yes, I'm.
Are you ready to go to school and have fun?
Yes.
Are you ready to be strong
Yes.
and be brave
Yes.
and be nice
Yes.
and listen to your teacher? All right, eat that toast and let's go. Tell Faith see you guys later.
One leaf.
Okay, tell Faith see you guys later.
Secondly.
Don't put your chocolate hand on your uniform tie. Take your hand off your clothes. Right, eat up. Don't mess up your clothes. Okay?
Will you show me?
It's not messy. I'm just telling you, don't mess up your clothes. Eat so we can go. Like I was telling you guys, baby's off already and I'm about to go drop Tyler and get back right now because it's the morning where most of my energy lies most of the time and I need to wash my locks. I need to wash it. So I'm gonna try and see if I can accomplish that this morning after breakfast. So let's see how that goes. Yes, Tyler. What?
I can look at how many chairs there is.
Okay.
One,
Hopefully you guys are having a positively blessed day. Stay loved, stay motivated, stay smiling, stay humble. Your girl is here with her girl. It was a rough night for me last night, but I made it through. Let me show you guys baby girl. There she is. There she is. Big and as round as can be. Anyway, you guys, let's see what today is gonna hold and how we will survive yet another day. But we love you guys, love you guys. If it's your first time to our channel, be sure to subscribe and catch up and keep up with the fam. Now I am heading out with my nuggets. I'll catch you guys later. I guess wash here wasn't a part of the plan this morning. Look at this Father's Day leftovers. I'm crazy. I went to nap, y'all. I realized that when Tyler and baby's not home, morning nap is a must for me. But when they're home, I take a early afternoon nap. And I just couldn't hang anymore. So I took my nap, woke up to some amazing, exciting news from one of my cousins that I'll be sharing with you guys when the time is right. I am hungry. I just boxed off 2 mango, as Jamaicans would say. Just boxed off 2 mango. I know I'm having some food, leftovers from yesterday, Father's Day goodness. And if you didn't see yesterday vlog, Father's Day dinner was broccoli, carrot, mashed potato, and barbecue ribs. And I'm having some right now. I am going to try and see if I can still accomplish washing my hair today. You guys will definitely know if it happened though. But I've been procrastinating since yesterday and it didn't happen. So let's see what can happen. But like I said, I got some exciting news from my cousin. And yeah, just say that you guys will hear about it. But you'll hear about it in about a week or 2. Okay. Anyway, you guys, I'm gonna box off this food. I guess me I gonna box everything today. I'm gonna enjoy this lunch and see what can be accomplished for the rest of today. Hopefully you guys are having some nice Sunday Monday leftovers the past Monday, because when you see this would have been in the weekend after Monday. Hopefully your Sunday Monday was even better tasting than Sunday. My Jamaicans will understand. Look who washed it here. My hair is washed and all fresh, yes, and drying. And I'm in the kitchen packing all these utensils right now. And it's after 3 p.m. so I'm happy I accomplished washing my hair today. I'm a happy camper. So yeah, the day is going good. I don't have anything else to do after I pack out these dishes, apart from making dinner later and gonna edit some vlogs. But the day is going really good and baby girl is here. I'm hungry. It's snack time and I'm happy I went and got my fruits over the weekend, because now I get to enjoy them. So I'm having mango. This is, I don't even remember where these mangoes are from, but they are so good. Remind me so much of Jamaica. And I'm having 1 kiwi and a slice of melon. And that should make your girl super happy. Was heaven. Be careful.
Oh, just relax. Listen to the music.
Family's home. Say hi, boys.
Tyler, tell come in the car.
Say hi, boys.
Hi.
Tyler,
Come.
say hi.
One,
Tyler,
No,
can you
don't
say
show
hi?
Papa the card. Come from the other side and say hi first.
hi. One,
Yeah, but he can't hold all him cards in his hand, so you
No,
not
that's
to look
why
at his
I
cards.
said, and you're gonna put them here. I just want him to count them.
three,
We got this new game and Tyler love playing it. So we're playing one round with him before he gets ready for bed for school in the morning.
9,
I just finished eating dinner. Can you tell?
11, 12.
My yogurt
Ok, so
is
it's
still
Papa au
here.
start. Allez,
And
toi
the
tu
boys
mets les
are
cartes
here.
ici, tu les mets dans le... Tu les ranges, d'accord? Tu les montes, tu mets les verts avec les verts, l'orange avec l'orange. Allez, vas-y.
Le but here from Babe. One family down.
Ok.
Woo, woo.
Allez, Tyler.
So I'm gonna ask Papa, do you have the red with the L and the E?
Tyler, a trick to this game is you're to ask for the card that you have a lot of them already, okay?
Papa, do you have the brown?
The brown.
Yes.
Ça?
You see? You see, Tyler, come here.
When you-
Wait.
And when
It's
you have
Papa turn.
5 is a
And
family.
when you have 5 is a family, so,
Okay,
okay?
so Papa gonna ask. Gonna ask Mama.
For what?
1, 2, 3,
You have a family?
4, and 5.
So you have one family. Good job. Okay, so put your family aside.
Honey, do
Yes.
you have the blue Les Murailles?
No. Okay. Papa, do you have Le Bleu Français Le Rock?
Tyler?
Tyler, your turn.
I'm gonna ask Papa, do you have the grid
Great, say great.
beside the
Comme ça?
we?
Ask the same.
Yeah, but guess who win? You, because you have 3 family. So it's who give you one family so you could win? Huh? Who? Who? So who to get big kisses? Who?
Papa.
Ah, you win?
Yeah.
You had fun?
Yeah.
Alright, how was your day at school?
Who had
You want to
these?
teach?
How was your day at
Who
school?
had these?
How was your day at school?
It was fine.
What did you have for lunch?
I
Sit
had
and tell me and Faves what you had for lunch.
I had
What you had for lunch? Pasta,
no
rice, polenta, broccoli, puree, ham, cordon bleu, pastèque, fromage, pain, bread, juice, water, green beans, eggs. What did he eat? Rice,
You say always the same time, the same
Yeah,
thing.
but I'm thinking what? Couscous?
Close. That's very close. What you use for the couscous?
It starts with the F.
S.
S.
No,
What you use?
F.
What you use? Oh, also F. F.
F.
Fish.
Ding, ding, ding.
Fish and what? And
It starts with the S.
Salmon.
No.
and what?
What you use for couscous?
What to use for couscous? Let me know what to use for couscous.
What you use to make couscous? The main thing is in couscous.
Sumul,
Sumol, but I didn't know that. I've never made couscous before. What is sumol?
Small is like the green. What you use for
I have
couscous.
no idea. Sumol and fish.
Yeah.
Wait. You eat it up? It was yummy.
Yes.
You go
Yeah.
and you give mercy and a dress.
No.
No, why?
Because yesterday because when I was down in the cook I was eating my complex.
Why all of us wearing blue today? What a coincidence. Because we are family. All right.
And I'm blue too.
Yeah, Mama and Papa too. All right, so we're gonna go get a bath and get ready for bed. Okay.
Oh no, I don't want that.
You don't want that?
No.
Why?
Is you gonna take Papa to bed in my room?
I'm gonna take Papa to bed in your room.
Yes.
You had fun at gathering today.
Then, Mama, after
Wait.
can you take Papa in my room?
Yes, I can. All right, tell Faves night night.
Night night.
See you guys tomorrow.
Say get to Mama and then you go look at Papa, then you go look.
We haven't done notification shout out in a long while, right?
This one's out
Goes to.
goes to
Let's see. It goes to Miss Blue. She. Miss Blue. So Miss Blue. Thanks for watching.
Miss Blue like Azure.
Like. All right, and Nika Williams.
no Auntie Sally.
Okay, and Auntie Charlie and Nika Williams.
And Nika Winland.
So thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching.